નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, welcome to the fifth part of 10th chapter, tenths and hundredths of standard 5th mathematics. In this one also we will go for guess whether the length is this much or that much, whether our guessing is right or wrong. In last part also we did the same, isn't it? But in this one, would you like to play with me? Let's play a game. For that, first of all, open page number 138 in your textbook. Second thing, keep a pencil also with you and a scale also with you. Okay? And let's play this game. See, the title is whose tail is longer or longest. Not longer, it is longest. I made mistake, it is longest. Now, in this one, some animals, can you see some animals are over there? Can you see rat? So, see, what is here? Animal length of tail. This is by guessing. And length of tail by measuring. Okay. Now, what we will do? I will ask you to find out the animal from that. Then after I will ask you to guess whether what it must be the length of its tail. And I will give you the original measurement. What is actually by measuring them. So what you will have to do, just you will guess whether it is right or wrong. Okay. First of all, can you see rat over there? Rat. Can you see rat? Okay. Now, guess the length of the tail of rat. Did you do so? Write somewhere in your textbook also with the help of pencil. Now, let me give you the real measurement. What is there in the textbook by measuring this? See, there might be a difference of 1 or 2 millimeter. Why? Because I am measuring this way, you are measuring such way in second way. Okay. So, but as per my measurement, it is 1.3. It is 1.3. It is already centimeter. It is 1.3 centimeter. Now guess, what is your guessing? Is it the same or something over here? Now let's see, lizard. Can you see lizard? Can you see lizard in that? Guess, what is the, see, lizard is over here. Okay. Now guess, what is the length of its tail? Did you note down in your textbook? Now let me give you, it is 1.5 centimeter. It is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, let's go further. Now, can you see monkey over there? Can you see monkey? Monkey is there. Now guess the length of its tail. Let me tell you the real tail. The measure is 2.1. Is that same? Let's go further. Can you see cat? A cat over there? Now guess the length of the tail of the cat. Did you do so? Now let me tell you the length is 1.2 centimeter. Let's go further. Can you see a dog is there? A dog is there. Guess the length. Now let me tell you the actual measurement is 0.7 centimeter. 0.7 centimeter. Okay. This is 0.7 centimeter. And the last. Can you see a pig? Let me tell you the length of its tail is 1.4 centimeter. And what is your guessing? And how good is your guess? Think it with yourself. Okay. Now come to the next one, the longest rupee note. The longest rupee note. Okay. Now in this also we have to go for exercise. In this one, first of all, what you will do? Do guess this rupee. First of all, let me show you these notes so that you can get. See, by this time there are two type of notes. 100 rupee note, one of them is new one, second one is old one, isn't it? So there might be some problem, and that is why I am showing it to you. See, first one is 100 rupee note, then see this one, old wala 100 rupee note. Okay, can you see this note? This old wala. Then 110 rupee note. We will use all the old notes. See this one, old note. Then after 20 rupee note, this is also old note. Do not use that green wala, isn't it? This old wala. And 5 rupee note. This also. So first of all, you should collect these notes if you do have. And a postcard. Have you ever seen this postcard? This is a postcard. See, can you see a stamp is also there? This is a postcard. You must have seen this. Okay. Now, the same thing is there. What is that? See, first of all, let me read this. What is the length of a 100 rupee note? Guess. Now measure it using a scale. Now guess the length and width of many other things. What we have to do? We have to guess the length as well as the width. And you know, let me tell you. See, you will have to guess length. This is the length. And you have to guess the width. Isn't it? So this is the width. This distance is width. This distance is length. Okay. Measure and find the difference between your measure and your guess. You have to find out the difference also. Difference also in the length. So first of all, what we will do? Suppose I will show you only one. I will give you an example of only one. Then after you will do it with yourself. Suppose 100 rupee note is there. Now guess this one and note down in your textbook with your pencil. Guess what is the length of this one and what is the width. Suppose you guess 15 centimeter and the width 6 Okay. Now the actual length and width is what you know. It is 15.7 and it is 7.3. So this is the actual. Now what you will do? You will go for further column. You will go for further column in which you will write. I am writing over here. Suppose somewhere over here. I don't have space over there. Then what you will write? Difference in centimeter. Difference in centimeter. And here you should write length. Here you should write width. Okay, like that. So what you will do? Now you will have to find out the difference. So here you guess is 15.7 and length is. But actually, see, let me go for this somewhere over here. Real is 15.7, so 15.7, and I guess or you guess. Suppose it is 15.0, then difference is 0.7 centimeter. You can say 0.7. So you should write 0.7. Here and the width. See, width actually is 7.3 and this is 6. So the difference is 1.3 centimeter. 1.3. So you will have to write further somewhere over here. Draw another column as well as this one, so that you can note the difference also. Okay, so same way you will go for 10 rupee note, you will go for the 20 rupee note, 5 rupee note and a postcard. It may be possible that you don't have that, then do one thing, stop this video. If you don't have these notes, then stop this video, and now I will write original measurements over here. First of all, what you will do, pause this video and note down this length and width. Okay, then after once again start the video, so that you will come to know original measurements, and then after you may get the difference also, find out the difference. So if you don't have these notes, then pause this video, and then after we will go for that. So pause this video, and now I am writing the original measurements. Okay, so the measurement of 10 rupee note is 13.6. 10 rupee note is 13.6 and width is 6.3. This one amount. Okay, then 20 rupee note. Let me show you once again. This is 20 rupee note. Okay, and it is 14.6. It is 14.6 and the width is 6.2. Okay, then after 5 rupee note. 5 rupee note, let me show you that note. This is 5 rupee note. Now that is 11.7. The length is 11.7 and the width is 6.3. 11.7 and 6.3. Then the postcard is 14.5. Postcard is 14.5 and the width is 9.5. 9.5. Then after the math magic book, that is also already with you. Okay, so math magic book is 20. The length is 27.3 and the width of this book is 20.6. Okay, now compare with your guessing and original, then after find out the difference. Like this we did this. Okay, in the next part once again we will go for the next one, that is at market. Okay, by this time go for these two activity, do it with yourself, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.